Hey guys, today we gonna talk about antimatter. Okay, so we all know about ordinary matters. You, me, planets, animals, even the universe etc. is made up of matter. In other words, in the quantum world, we can say that matter is just vibration in the field. A particle like electron is just a vibrating thing that has a vibration frequency made of string, and this is what string theory says. So, antimatter is also matter but have opposite charges. Albert Einstein's famous equation is energy is equal to mass and speed of light square. So, when you put enough energy in a small space, you can create particles, but it'll also create antimatter. So, when you combine both particle and antiparticle, energy is released. The antimatter come in the theory when Parul Dirac, one of the co-founders of quantum theory, working on a relativistic version of the Schrödinger equation. In the simplest version I can think of, is that if I ask you that what is the square root of 4? You will probably answer 2 and minus 2. So, that's a minus sign as an indicator that if we create something, we have also create something opposite too. And that's the mystery of antimatter. So, antimatter is very difficult to produce because when we produce antimatter, it collides with ordinary matter and annihilates and releases energy. So, yes, we need an extraordinary place where we can capture antimatter without annihilating it. Do we have such a place on Earth? The answer is yes. We have a place called the Antimatter Factory at CERN, Geneva, Switzerland, where we have massive particles accelerators to produce it. And that's cost us $270 trillion per gram. Now, you may wonder why it's so costly? Because it's very, very difficult to produce. And is it useful? Yes, researchers believe so, that maybe it'll use and hyperlocally treat cancer without harming the surrounding tissue. There can be more applications to this research that we don't know yet. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.